gotta do is reach up and hit the button.
Follow it wherever your head goes.
Yeah.
Well, that's why we put it on the handlebar.
Well, no, but what he's saying, Rob, is like if you're looking at something,
Right.
all you gotta do is look at it, and it's gonna catch the video.
Just follow it with your head.
I mean, that's a really cool idea, yeah.
Yeah.
What, that Jeep?
I couldn't believe it.
That's in pretty deep muck for just a bit, a little, like a 4-inch lift is some 35.
All right, I'm gonna walk out here and get a little bit of this.